see?
That's what
It's upside down.
It is not.
Here, I need to get both of them. Jason, I'll make a copy for your folks too.
That's okay.
No, I will.
Wait, we need some numbers to go across the front of these here.
Here. Now hold it up to your chin now. Wait just a minute. Now, come on, Jason now. Do it right.
Yeah, do it right.
Well, he made it. He must not have any financial obligations to the school.
Michael's an airhead.
Here. Here, where's that other thing you got?
Why?
What's that trophy thing? What is it?
That's my straight A award for having the biggest.
Here, wait. Here, just one more time.
Wrong.
Hi, stand next to each other real good, please.
Real good.
Real good.
Now he looks taller. See, he's on higher ground there.
All right. See, okay, look, have him see it straight, and you'll be able to see the tip of my head over him.
Well, get off your steptoes.
Okay, now move that way just a little bit. There we go. Now do the other way.
Okay, ready?
Give him a wet willy, Michael.
Put a bit here.
Yeah.
Here, move, Mom.
It gets tickled when you go to breathe.
No, they're both turning pretty pink.
You're not supposed to hold on the car, are you?
Hell, he's trying to squat down over there.
No, you didn't look at everything around there.
What's that? Well, it'll buy a lot of funny books, huh?
Well, go behind that bush.
He's shy.
Come on, Grandma.
Oh, okay. You got your key? You're supposed to always carry your key.
Smile, you're on candid camera.
Leave my hair alone. Wait, I want my hat on.
What'd you do with that camera? It's on there. My batteries are down in it.
I don't get it. The car's in there.
They put you in the wrong place.
Yes.
Hey.
How about a hug? Give him a hug. Let's get a hug.
Oh, good. He's going to be able to beat him up for long.
He's getting that thing now. Alright, let's stand up straight.
You're on a hill.
I ain't on no dang hill. Oh, what's that
Well,
down
move,
there?
dang it, I don't care. Hey, you're standing on your shit.
I am not. Here's the toes.
Hey, I make $5
Michael is.
He went last week. What happened?
Who's taller?
Mike, my teensy bit.
Real good.
Now he looks taller. See, he's on higher ground. Michael, where was Casey?
I don't know. My left.
Where's your lawnmower, Michael?
You even get your
It's
class.
hot.
He's. Yeah, he does. That's his weekly.
That's what I
It's upside down.
It is not.
Here, I need to get both of them. Jason, I'll make a copy for your folks too.
That's okay.
No, I will.
Wait, we need some numbers to go across the front of these here.
Here. Now hold it up to your chin now. Wait just a minute. No, come on, Jason, now. Do it right.
Yeah, do it right.
Okay.
Get in. Go on, Michael.
Well, he made